This is the first one that I started with. It's a 1967 Ford Galaxy. Everything inside and out is period correct for what we would have had back in 1967. From there I moved on to 1977. It's Chevy Nova. Again, everything in there is period correct for what we would have had back then. And then shortly after that, that's where I got to 1987, and that's the Ford Crown Victoria LTD model. This is an original radar unit. It's the speedalizer made by Stevenson. It attaches to the rear window. You can get cars coming up behind you. You can also rotate it and get cars coming towards you. It was designed to be able to sit like this on the window here. The inside of the car is the meter that tells you what the speed is. When we originally went to the black and whites, it was because of Adam 12 was a very popular color at that time. And we stayed with black and whites up until the early to mid 80s, at which time Hill Street Blues was a very popular television show, so we went to the blue and white. This one has the dual blue lights on top. They're slow moving. Also has the siren. This is a Ocala Police Department courtesy notice that was given out. It's basically a parking warning. I found this on eBay, so of course I had to purchase it and put it in my car. The 67 is my favorite. That's the first one that I did. It's the oldest one that I have. It's going to be my favorite.